What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today in a very exciting tech video, and today I want to talk about the part of yard maintenance that you probably think about the least. Well, that is at least until your water bill shows up from the city. Traditional lawn irrigation is an absolute mess. You've got controller bolted to the garage wall, in-ground sprinklers that break every other season, electrical valves buried in a box somewhere, and a separate fertilizer spreader you drag out 4 times a year. 4 different tools and 4 different problems. Aiper just dropped the IrriSense 2, and they're calling it the world's first 4-in-1 multi-zone smart irrigation system. One device that replaces all 4 of those yard maintenance tools, and today we're going to get into exactly how well it works. Okay, so first, exactly what is the Aiper IrriSense 2? If you look at it, it looks like a Bluetooth speaker and an air purifier had a baby and then moved outdoors, but inside it's actually packing some fairly impressive hardware that manages to cram 4 yard maintenance devices into one chassis. And so let's talk about exactly how Aiper is able to achieve that. Number 1, it's your irrigation controller, the brain that decides when and how long to water. Number 2, it's the rotor sprinkler itself, actually pushing the water out over your lawn. And number 3, it replaces the electrical valve, that little solenoid that traditionally lives in an underground box and opens and closes to let water through. And number 4, it has a built-in nutrient feeder that you can optionally use to spread nutrients across your lawn to make sure that everything is growing as it should. Think about what that actually means for your garage shelf. No more controller box collecting dust, no more broken pop-up heads that you find the hard way when you're mowing, no more bag of fertilizer sitting open all summer. You've got one device, one app, one place to look when something goes sideways. And the setup is stupid simple. It's 15 minutes tops, and it could be even faster than that depending on how good you are with just setting up the app and how quick you are with doing your mapping. You plant it in your yard, you hook a standard 5/8" garden hose to it, plug in the 33-foot cord, and pair it with the Aiper app. That's it. You've got no landscaper, no permit, no weekend digging trenches. You're good to go. Aiper is also claiming up to 40% water savings compared to traditional sprinkler systems. So let's talk about how they arrive in that number, because it's actually pretty impressive engineering. First, you've got customizable watering zones. The IrriSense 2 supports multiple zones with independent schedules and watering depths. So your thirsty flower bed doesn't get the same dose as your drought-tolerant shrubs. You stop overwatering areas that don't need it, and you can give more water to areas that do. That's incredibly important for me here in the Phoenix, Arizona desert, which is a very specific type of plant habitat. Second, you have a weather sense response system. The unit automatically pauses watering when it's raining and adjusts its schedule based on the forecast. No more coming home to sprinklers that are running during a thunderstorm, because that's just wasteful. And third, the Aiper app actually tracks your irrigation usage, how much water have you used, how much time it's been watering. It's basically a Fitbit for your IrriSense 2 system, so you can keep track of literally all the stats. And the IrriSense 2 is also TÜV certified for consistent water usage. TÜV is a big European safety and performance standards body, so that certification means the pressure stays stable across every zone, which translates to even coverage and no wasted output from weak or overshooting zones. Pressure drop-off is one of the sneaky ways that old systems waste water, and this is engineered to hold steady. Now, do I expect every yard to hit that 40% number? Probably not, because your mileage will vary based on your actual yard and probably how bad your old system was in the first place, but it's still very impressive to have that TÜV certification. But even half of that number would be a meaningful dent in your summer water bill, and in drought-restricted parts of the country like here in Phoenix, Arizona, this kind of efficiency isn't just a nice to have. It's the difference between a green lawn and potentially a fine from your city, or an even bigger water bill for using extra water use in some of those restricted times. Now let's circle back and talk about the setup and actual watering use, because this is where a lot of smart home systems break down. The install is supposed to be 15 minutes, and that's probably right, could be even faster. You've got no tools, complete DIY. Pick a spot, anchor the unit, connect it to your garden hose, plug in the power, and open the Aiper app. No trenching, no cutting into your lawn, and no paying a landscaper $400 to $500 to bury pipes. And if you move houses, you can bring this with you. Now, an incredibly interesting part of this is the Aiper app supports up to 10 independent irrigation maps. 10 is a pretty big number here because it gives you a lot of flexibility. That means you can draw out your front yard, your flower bed, the porch, the shrubs along the fence, and that one weird corner where your grass always dies. And each one of these zones is going to get its own watering schedule and its own depth setting. Plant-specific irrigation is the phrase that Aiper uses here, and it actually tracks. A Kentucky bluegrass lawn wants different water than a lawn here in Phoenix, Arizona, and different again from a young tree that's trying to put down deep roots. Setting that up manually on a traditional controller is a nightmare of programs and zones and cryptic 3-letter codes. Here, it's just a few taps on the Aiper app. It really couldn't be any simpler. The whole thing runs over Wi-Fi, so you can control it from your couch, your office, or even if you're on vacation and wondering if your plants are still surviving, you can do it from virtually anywhere. You get real-time monitoring, smart scheduling, and personalized irrigation insights, which is basically the app watching how your yard behaves and suggesting adjustments. This is the kind of thing that you set it and forget it, and honestly, in convenience terms, it pays for itself in a single spring/summer of usage. Watering evenly is really harder than it sounds. Old sprinkler systems just throw water in a donut, which means you have a dry spot in the middle. Aiper does this differently with their EvenRain technology. EvenRain simulates natural rain across up to 4,800 square feet. That's about 445 square meters, with an adaptive respray that actively fills in blind spots and protects seedlings and soil. The idea is gentler, more even water, the way actual rain falls, instead of a high-pressure jet blasting your new grass into oblivion. If you ever tried to seed a patchy lawn, only to have your sprinkler immediately wash the seed into the sidewalk, you know exactly why this is important. Raw specs for context for those who want them: you get 6.8 gallons per minute flow rate, 45 psi for stable pressure, a max spray distance of 39 feet, and that 4,800 square feet max coverage that I talked about before. Those are solid numbers for a residential system, and that PSI number is where the TÜV certification really pays off in real-world usage. The other half of nurturing your yard is feeding it. The IrriSense 2 has a built-in nutrient dispenser that can release lawn food automatically with your watering once a week. No bag of fertilizer sitting in the garage, no broadcast spreader, no calendar reminders, and no guessing how much you just dumped on that one patch. This is a big value add because, like I said before, other smart sprinklers don't offer the option to get fertilizer and nutrients dispensed while watering. That adds another thing that you don't have to worry about. So that's the Aiper IrriSense 2. It's a 4-in-1 smart sprinkler system. It replaces your controller, your sprinkler, your valve, and your fertilizer spreader. It installs in 15 minutes, supports up to 10 plant-specific zones, claims up to 40% water savings, and it's TÜV certified for pressure stability. For anyone tired of fighting with legacy yard hardware, this is a really compelling swap. I'll drop a link below for the IrriSense 2 on the Aiper website. Also, any other relevant discount codes that they provided probably will be on screen as well. We really enjoyed running this in our yard, especially here in Phoenix, Arizona, where if you want to keep your yard green or even have a yard at all here in the desert, you need to be very careful with your irrigation because it is so dry. And this is a great fit for people who don't want to have complicated in-ground setups and waste a lot of money and time dealing with those inconveniences. Huge shout out to Aiper for sending this one out for review and sponsoring the video. If you guys have any questions about the IrriSense 2, how to use it, how any of the features work, happy to get back to you below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.